What up YouTube? What up Instagram? And what up TikTok soon? Danny Sins, what up, what up, what up? All right, let me have a look here. Give me a second here. Let me just let my anxiety chill for 1 sec while I do this thing. Yo, yo. What up, YouTube? Happy Monday. Fresh trading week ahead. Let's blow some accounts, my dudes. Let's blow some accounts. All right, dope. All right, let me pull this Instagram chat over here so I can see what you guys are saying on Instagram. W. No, I don't have a Telegram. Price action effed up. Oh, it seems pretty good to me. All right, fire. All right, let's do a bit of analysis here, you guys, and see if we can get something popping off here on gold or NQ. I don't discriminate at all. I'm still banned on TikTok for another 10 minutes. I'll go live in 10 minutes on TikTok. You're looking for the Holy Grail on trailer and gossip? I'm looking for the Holy Grail trading on gold. Is it possible? Well, has anyone found the Holy Grail? There's your answer. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, man? All right, dope. So gold's dropping here. Look like a nice breakout opportunity there. What's your TikTok account so I can add you? Just same name. All my social medias are the same name. Everything's the same name. Cool. Screen's glitching. Just gotta wait a sec. Yeah, my shit's glitching bad. Damn. Finally. All right, here we go. Here we go. It's moving again. All right, let's have a look. Gold's on the meltdown. Gonna do a quick analysis here. Like we showed up for the Asia stream. Nothing really in the Asia. There was something a few hours in the Asia, but I was off the charts by that point. Oh, Sylvia, you're in the cell. Nice. So daily's consolidating. Cool. 4 hour barcode right now. No clear direction on the 4 hour. What's 4x 4 hour look like? Similar. No clear direction. Strong 1 hour closure. So we're just coming into Asia, London Open right now. Strong 30 closure and strong 15. I mean, for now, I guess it's going to be tricky. I guess we're just got to kind of mark a few levels here. We're right in the middle of this range right now. Hopefully NQ's got something for us. If gold wants to like print a green candle and start presenting something, that's good, but NQ's ugly right now. I think this is all-time high, so we'll see how it wants to react off that level. It's just trickling its way up. Anyone ever called you Aussie Ryan Gosling? Yes. Yeah, we fight, but that's what we do. I love you or whatever in what's that movie? Fucking Notebook. Yay, my screen's fucking glitching again. Wonder why. Wonder what I need to get rid of. Damn, that's annoying. It's fucking Instagram. I know it's Instagram. I have to shut Instagram down. You guys on Instagram, if when my screen comes back in 2 seconds, I'm going to shut you down. And if you want to come over to the live stream on YouTube, come on down. Oh my God, this is painful. Bruh, I'm actually glitched. I'm gonna have to force shut down. Sorry guys, bear with me 1 sec. My screen will come back in a minute. Yes, I'm back. All right, there you go. I shut down fucking Instagram. Anytime I've ever tried to stream on Instagram, I've always run into these issues. All right, all good. Bears are in charge, that's right. So yeah, man, let's see if we can get a decent green candle here. Give us something to play with. What up, Shem? Who called this sell, hit this buy here this morning? Look really nice in the 30. Oh no, it didn't have no wick. My man. Cook for a bit there. Yeah, but it should have been okay as long as you had your stop under that level. I know it was a pretty decent stop, but... Oh, not that bad. 36, and then you have... You know, you had pretty solid targets. Good stuff. Good stuff, fam. Yeah, I think... Oh, actually. Oh, there. Yeah, not bad. Like, obviously it's a bit extended, but fuck, it looks quite nice. I think Sylvia said she just caught that. So yeah, here we are, guys. New week. New week, man. I don't know if you've learned some lessons over the weekend, done a bit of analysis on your performance of the week prior, and let's have a good week this week. I mean, a good week is always determined by, did you stick to your rules? It's really that simple. Like, the only way you ever feel decent about the end of the week is if you know that you stuck to your rules and you were disciplined. Even if it is red. Nice, Enza. What up, Mr. Sereno? So yeah, let's see what's up with this candle here. Nah, Stuart, there's nothing wrong with that, man, if that works for you. I got you, Forex. Fair enough, man. Fresh week, yeah, fresh week, man. Fresh week. Why was it a bad week, Matt? What happened? Was it a bad performance? Like, was it bad statistically, or did you break your rules? Nothing beats a Jet 7 holiday. I was bad, broke my rules, revenge trade. Yeah, gotcha. Thank you, Mess. $2 glasses from fucking some internet website. Wow, internet website. Literally old man. Come on, dude, let's trade. Hey, dude, why don't you just suck me off? Bluey, you coming to Bali? Gotcha. Yeah, I was going to get some new shades. I was going to do a lot of things in life, but man, I'm just so busy, man. My schedule is just redonk. It's really hectic. Got so much to do. And you know when you got so much to do, but it's like, where do I even fucking start? Come on, dude, let's gamble. Yeah, legit. What up, Canberra love? 30-minute resistance? Let's have a look at 30-minute resistance. Nah, we're just kind of, I mean, if you're talking about over here, I'd be more paying attention to what's happening right here. And it's not a lot. Even if this print screen, it's a bit sus because it's just like stopping in the middle of nowhere. The only thing that's kind of interesting is it's, you know, the London Open, maybe a new influx of volume pushing in a different direction. Yes, sir. Bali trading retreat. I mean, I'm just getting a villa. It's full of the cats in the mentorship. Like, so I'm just going to get a villa, and then the guys and girls in the mentorship that can make it. Yeah, we're going to go over there for a week. Been trying to pass my funded every time I get 15K, 5 from target. I fuck it up. Happened 3 times now. Yeah, and that, at least that's showing you've got enough data now to prove to yourself or to know that that's a psychological thing. Grant can't because of a surgery. Yeah, I mean, it'd be good ride, but it's gonna be tough because it's got to be it's more like, just a mentorship cats. I would love to have heaps of guys and girls there for sure, but I'm getting the master. Oh, okay, Grant. No worries, man. Yeah, it's okay. Hope everything's all good for you. Yeah, no, we're good, Paul. I think it's like as of next week onwards, my you guys will see my calendar's different. Sylvia, are you coming? Okay, I think Sylvia, you'll be the only girl, but we want you there. We want you there. You're gonna leave me with these freaking ruckus. I'm gonna be like, it's gonna be like daddy daycare. And if you come, it's like mum and dad taking care of the kids, basically. So. But let's lock in, chat. Let's lock in here. NQ's edging all-time highs. Oh, that's so good. Let's do some Thai boxing. Yeah, I want to do that. Happy Monday, Chris. Yeah, we'll do another one next year, Matt. Yeah, you get the queen status. You achieve that status. All right, so nothing interesting with that closure. Patience, my friends. It's Monday. We're going to wait for a setup to come to us, and then we're going to crush it. We're going to execute that bitch. Yeah, this is the only setup that's arose today that I would have taken, but I wasn't watching the charts, unfortunately. It's a really, I would have fucking, yeah, I would have been in that for sure. Would you take a sell of the last 15 break on 2667? Nah, because if you took a sell below that, below this level, you run straight into this level here. It's not enough range. I don't think that level will be too respected when price gets there, to be honest. Grab liquidity. Who said it's grabbing liquidity? What if it's just the value of gold actually going up and down instead of it having an intent behind it? Every Monday's the New Year's, yeah. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Fresh Monday here. Get us to 100 likes and we'll kill it. What would your setup have been in gold? The setup on gold, Asia, would have been waiting for this closure here. Once this green candle closed and rejected off this level, this one wicked down. I probably would have had a buy stop sitting there with the stop loss at the break of that low, anticipating a pullback. And yeah, wrote it up here a bit. I mean, once that 30-minute closed, I would have been very secure in my position there. I would have been very happy with the position. I would have, you know, my stop loss would have been sitting underneath that 30 low. I would have been very happy with this position. Probably rode it up to that 30-minute support level there. Yeah, great trade opportunity right there. I wasn't watching the charts and what up, Pete? P. Diddy. Yeah, it's a shame that that 30 didn't wick down. It would have been a good probably chance to even add to it if you're already in it. Yeah, missed it as well. Yep. Next best banger, that's right. I mean, if you ever get upset about missing a trade or anything like that, I mean, just got to ask yourself, am I doing this for the next like month or two, or am I doing this for like the next 20, 30 years? In 10 years, you're like, oh man, that Asia session where I missed that trade that I would have taken just any day anyway. I'll never forget that one. Bruh. Wait, what's 18? Isn't 18... Oh, it's in another hour. Yeah, fair enough. Is that how, but the lower of the candle didn't form there yet? Oh, didn't it? Yeah, you always want to wait for that low bit to be formed for sure. Yeah, bro, we're in it for life. Get a candlestick tattooed on your forehead. So no volume on NQ all day yet. Okay. Like we obviously are moving up. How much of a perfect example is this? What we're talking about today on stream, you guys. Oh, like you guys in mentorship, we talk about a lot of time with NQ. Well, you'll get just one impulsive, strong candle break out of a key level, and then nothing happens after that. And a lot of times you can get tricked into thinking, "Oh, there's volume in the market. Let me jump in," and then you just get stuck in dog's breakfast. Don't even think about that, Don. Don't think about numbers or try to predict anything. I'll just wait till I get confirmation. By the looks of things, gold's going to trickle down in an annoying fashion. But I'm willing to be patient and see. I'm willing to see. Yeah, consolidation here for the last couple of days. It's very similar to the consolidation down here, but just a much smaller structural version of it. Good job, Sylvia. Oh, fuck. Do you have a max stop loss? Wait, do you have a max stop loss? That is too much to do. Yeah, I guess in accordance to my strategy, like anything over 50 pips or ticks is like, I'm kind of pushing it a bit now. Now I'm getting into like an intraday trading kind of a play, which isn't my forte. Yeah, I don't know about that crowd. I don't try and think about it too much. I'll always sit on MGC, and yeah, I guess if MGC's showing the shits that I need to see, then I'll just execute on that. First time, sir. Who rates this Bali villa? This would be us sitting around the table. Oh, yes. Oh, hello. Yeah. Drinking a coffee. Oh, my stock portfolio. Yes. Oh, yes. Sitting here live stream with the laptops up. This is the exact strategy I made to make $4 million sitting on a chair in Bali. You know what I mean? Gonna have chicks all dancing around their bikinis here while we're sitting there making millions and billions. That's us. There we are. That's Perry. This chick's Perry. That's me. And I'm like, click buy. Anyway. No, it's not booked. I'll book it today. I'm starting a group chat today with everyone that's going. I just need official 100% numbers. Nah, me and Mitch have already caught up, so he can prove that I'm not AI. Oh, fuck. The 6th of October, Costa. So NQ's trying to touch the lid, touch at the top tip touching. Yeah, you can, but I just haven't made it it's either out of that one or this one. Damn. I barely even looked at these. I just clicked on them. Yeah, I better start a Hinge account for Bali. Shem's got the hookups. Took a sell on the 1 hour time frame at the break of the previous. Oh. No, they're not even that expensive. A couple grand or something. Not even that. Come on, gold, bro. Please. Yeah, gonna need a green candle, my dudes. We want to see some greenery. Because right now all we've got red. Can't do anything with just one color. We need yin and yang. Yeah, I'm currently in Dubai. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. NQ's approaching all high time frame. Time. It's got no volume in the market. Is there any high impact? No. Core retail tomorrow. Basically waiting to see a green candle print and then could start looking at something actually happening over here. Because right now it's just red. Rate decision incoming this week. Interesting. Very interesting. I'm a London boy. Yeah, we need to get a dub to get a London boy. No, I had to cancel it, Bluey. Yeah, I had to fucking cancel it. I've got too much on. I need something, man. I need Jesus. How to trade FEG? You just basically grow like a broccoli haircut. Type in ICT into YouTube and basically yourself. No, I'm joking. I don't know, bro. If you literally type in FEG into YouTube, there's billions and billions of videos. Probably the most common thing that would be on there. Carl, what, Carl, what do you got for us? What do you got for us, my G? Carl, I didn't even think that you were G'ing up because I didn't see your name in the RSVP thing. Yeah, I didn't see your name in the RSVP thing. Yeah, Paul, give him a full-blown demo. All right, what do we got here? Top 10 no volume caught on camera. Yeah, I'm probably more interested in buying than selling, but I mean, let's see what this current candle wants to do. The 30-minute high is all the way up here as well. It's a bit far. Yeah, gotcha, man. No, that's all right, Carl. Yeah, we'll get another one in. We'll get another one in, my brother. Any of you guys that are interested in joining the mentorship, you want to learn the strategy, the system, everything that we do right here in real time, you type in danielholmestrades.com into YouTube, into Google, and you'll see my shits. And then sometimes we go on Bali trading retreats. But yeah, anybody that's ever thought about taking their trading more serious and wants one-on-one mentorship, I'm the only guy in the trading industry that does actual one-on-one mentorship. So my guys that join the community, they have unlimited access to me for one-on-one Zoom calls. Because I thought, okay, if the goal is to make as many people profitable, what's the best way to do that? And the best way is you're going to have to literally dedicate the time to actually guide people. Because it's not enough to say, here's a course, see you later, good luck. So it's something that I've committed to, and yeah, we've got some guys getting some really good results. Oh, the Dissy. Yeah, I'll put the free Dissy link here. If anyone's interested in joining the free Discord community, we've got here over 5,000 people in the Discord. That's the link there in the chat, gang. All right, so let's have a look over here. Gold's kind of doing a thing. Yeah, there's nothing you can do here. It's breaking the 30-minute highs. No wick. Very ugly, very ugly. I mean, in an ideal world, it comes up, shows of fails to continue, and if NQ wants to break above, maybe we could look at taking some bullshit trade. Because here's the thing, you go, okay, there's no volume in NQ, we're moving up, these candle bodies are small and weak and gay. But you go, okay, but this is all-time highs. So if it can break and hold above that level, there must be volume. Otherwise, how is buyers going to keep it above all-time highs? And for that reason, I'll be interested. Swaggy D, what up, Swaggy Rod? First time I've seen you on YouTube, I think. All-time highs is broke on Forex. Wait, how is that possible with NQ? Man, I went out to a desert here in Dubai to film some content on the weekend. First time I've ever been in a desert where there's sand dunes. And we hired professional drivers, and a professional driver was just a dude. We rock up to the sand dunes, and the professional driver was just a dude. I was like, he's like wearing a shirt and jeans and shit. I was like, I guess this is him. And then we just did the thing. It was pretty scary. Thanks, Alex. I mean, goal is just like literally some hot-headed Latina, right? I think we can all agree with that. And the culture here for the drivers, you know, the dudes that like go on two wheels in their car and shit, they don't wear seatbelts. Oh, look at this on NQ. It's disrespectful because it means that you're like disrespecting their abilities. I'm like, hey bro, I don't care, because guess what I'm not doing? Dying, right? So it's all good. I'm sorry to disrespect you, but I'm not dying today. So it's all good. So let's see if gold can close above this level. We've still got a fair bit of time on the clock, so we'll see. Yeah, I've been in a few rolled cars back in the day when I was a little, scumbag. I've actually been in 3 rolled cars, and all 3 times I was the passenger. One time the driver got flung out the window, he nearly died and shit. He was my best mate at the time. Yeah, cars are very dangerous. He's a passenger boy. Passenger boy. Bro, do you know who I'm in love with lately? Iggy Azalea. God damn. I just have to get that off my chest. God damn. Do a stream with the Island Boys. Bro, she might as well be a Latina. I don't even know how to spell her name. Oh, there she is. She's Australian. She's Australian as shit. But she's BBL drizzied up. BBL drizzy. Yeah. Alright, man. NQ, you gonna hold above this level or not? Bro, that's the thing. With Neon. She's with Neon. It's like, am I invisible? Is she actually a billionaire? Or just ask yourself this, Diligent. Are you willing to lose 3% a day? Yeah, Neon must have motion. Legit, Pez. Feels, man. Iverson, W. Beautiful, man. Beautiful work. We've got 5 minutes here. Well, it depends what you mean, Matt. It just depends what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, but even then, Costa, it's still kind of like there wasn't much sign of strength, like bullish strength. It was just more rejection. I probably might have potentially still been interested, but no, it was still a bit sketchy for me personally. So you're going to hold here, Mr. NQ? Yeah, depending on what NQ does here, could be looking at taking some impulsive moves. We'll see. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream, man. Live every day here. I've traded live in front of billions of people for a year. Started as a little retard in a room trying to, I'll show up every day on the market and trade. To 1 year later, still exactly that. It's a Monday. Let's not have too massive expectations on gold, but we'll see. Look at this massive rejection. So this is what happens a lot of times as, you know, it'll be moving down, then London Open will happen. It will completely shift the other direction. That's why I used to hate holding trades over through to the London Open. Yeah, and if anyone's got any analysis, throw it in the Discord. We can have a look. Yeah, this was something that I was looking at as well. Oh, I wasn't looking at. I looked at after the fact. Nice. Beautiful, bro. Awesome. How do you have the exact same Notion template? Don't break my heart. These markets are these markets have been markets. Well, do you have access? Do you have access? I think you do have access to our other Discord, don't you? Because I put you as admin. All right, so NQ's kind of bitched it here. This one will probably just rocket through. We'll see. I mean, the good thing about this is if the next one does close above, that'll be a 30 and a 1 hour closure. Oh, yeah. What's Bitcoin up to these days? Consolidating. Copper. I mean, yeah, I think he did. I think Canelo did a really good job. I think, yeah. I was saying it. I think Canelo's kind of slowly on his way out. But it's not like he like completely booked him or anything. It was just, he just won the fight, I guess. Technically. And did you actually, Bluey? Bro, why? Oh. Yeah, he just didn't have the answers, that's right. You could tell Canelo's game plan was to be the bigger guy and try and bully him and throw. He was throwing all of his punches with massive intent. And Crawford just had a really good guard as well. Like they were always hitting the glove. Bro, everyone's boxing experts, man. Didn't you know that? This is actually a boxing chat. Yeah, just outpointed him. Why not buy gold now? I'll buy gold now if you tell me why. I'll buy gold right now if you tell me exactly why I should do that. I'll buy it on my instant funded account. Yeah, Canelo definitely thought he was going to outmuscle him. Stat. It's a gut feeling, yeah. That's the ultimate strat. Oh, sick, Matt. Nice, bro. Bay and Seal. Oh, okay. That's all right. That's fast, Dad. I don't know. Perry just ChatGPT'd that answer. I mean, I wonder how many people, you know, when you like get to know a chick or a chick gets to know a dude and then you start like the talking phase. How many dudes do you think now are like, if a chick says something, they're like, they send it over to ChatGPT and be like, what do I say to this? These motherfuckers are drilling again. He's such a cat. A lot. Yeah, man. No, people definitely would do that. 100%. I would never, but someone else would. I've never done anything like that. It depends, Gabriel. As long as you're willing to lose 4% per trade as well, that's the question you've got to ask yourself. Today's my birthday. I'll be going big. Happy birthday, man. AI Riz, yeah. All right, honestly, if you try to do AI Riz, it is so cringe, the Riz that AI comes back with. It's like you could never send it. It's like, hey, I like the sparkle in your eye. If you want to see the sparkle of my dick, like it's so bad. It's so bad. AI Riz is so cringe, man. Perfect setup in GC. Take it then. If that's a perfect setup for you, bro, take the shit out of it. This setup, this just means nothing to me right now. Your net worth? I'm gonna have to share it. Someone in the chat just asked. They asked the famous question. What is your net worth?
Billions and 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 billions and.
So you do the math. You do the math, my dude. Dan, did you have a small end of $1 million for like? Are you tired of Jade Cap F? Are you friend of? No. No. Wait, is he in Dubai? Billions and millions. You look like a model? No, I'm not. I don't. My earphones died. I'm gonna have to go natural. Natural ears. Billions and billions. Man, who's seen Charlie Kirk's wife's statement? I watched it with an edit, like with an edit audio over it. It was like, whoa, audio in the background. I was just like, fuck, shivers, bro. She's like, this widow's legacy, you've made Charlie Kirk's voice even louder. You tried to silence us, but all you did was make us stronger. And I was like, oh, shivers. And she's all like fierce and yeah, wow. Are you a friend of... No. You seen it, Sylvia? Yeah. Shiver City. I seen the one you liked. It was a screenshot of Tate. Yeah, I know that one. Like that was a good one, but we didn't need Tate standing there. Imagine I make millions at the time someone shot me. Wait, what? No, I haven't booked flights, but I will. I'm going to send a thing in the Disney today just to get final numbers of guaranteed people, guaranteed, and then we're going to be chilling here with strippers and making billions and billions. Joking. Man, this is painful, bro. I hate London sessions like this, bro. It's so painful, man. Yeah, that's all right, Jack. Bro, I know the date scene in Dubai is kind of risky. Yeah, it's very bad. You can't date here. I've just come to that conclusion. You cannot find a girlfriend here. Or like a decent chick. I actually left Australia with like the mindset of like, oh man, the dating scene in Australia is so bad. And then I came here, I'm like, the dating scene in Australia is amazing. Perspective is everything, my dudes. Why don't you start to trade with pre-London? Because Raja usually starts trading. Wait, what does my trade have to do with Raja's? Yeah, he's a really good guy. Even like it's he was so young. He was only 31. See your location somewhere else? Yeah, I know, bro. It's probably gonna have to be the case. 2 minutes here before we get this out closure. Nah, I'm banned on TikTok. Takes Dubai, no. Why'd you leave Australia? You can trade anyway because there's no tax here. And I wanted to get out of Australia. I just wanted something different. Wow, somebody said here in the chat, D, I'm actually going to block you because anyone that has an opinion of Kirk like that, you're getting blocked. I don't want retards like that in the chat. Fuck, that drilling's crazy. I don't know what you're saying, GM. RIP Kirk, yes sir. Seen too many Wix wins on Friday, yeah, legit. I know what it was for because at the very end of the stream, I tried to promote this. I said you guys were flying 9 people out to Dubai for a week. All you have to use is my code. This is something for you guys to know right now. You get 15% off any challenge account with Orion funded. And you go on the draw to get flown out to Dubai for an entire week, all expenses paid. drive around on supercars, jet skis. We're going to have a crazy trading week. And you get 15% off. And you get 100% of the profit split. And you only pay 50% of the account up front. And then if you pass the challenge, then you pay the other 50%. Plus the 15% I give you using my code. Get in now before all stock clears. Wait, did he really only have 1.7 million before he died? Now he's got 12 million extras. Holy shit. He just put so many people onto Jesus, man. It's crazy. That's why his wife was saying, you don't know what you just did. You think you did what you think, but you actually just... I seen that video today. It's got like 55 million views, his wife. You just exposed so many people to Jesus. It's like, yeah, big man things. All right, so here we go. Cool. Didn't want to sell. Yeah, so I get, man, one thing I'm really going to be looking for is if I can get a nice flip there and then a flip red, a nice test there and then a flip red, I'd like to sell gold, or if I break above. So I'm going to be patient as we're approaching this level up here. Yeah. All right, Matt, you're getting blocked, you fucking retard. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. But you are getting blocked. Wait, everyone's saying NQ. Oh, just filled all of that daily range. Regardless if you're living overseas, if you are an Australian with financial residence in Australia, no, it doesn't. My income comes to a Dubai business bank account. I'm not paying Australian tax. Damn, NQ. Just complete fill in that range. It's probably going to come down to here for sure, at least. Maybe this is a liquidity grab of some sort for a continuation to all time. Bro, you can't love Jesus when you talk like that. I mean, I can still love Jesus when I talk like that, but I know it's not ideal. Legit. What do you mean, G8? What the hell's S Corp? Can I trade NQ on this thing? No. Oh, I can. Can I? Damn, I'm a bit late to the party. So until I can't love Jesus. No, Australia can know about the income, but I have a business set up here, a registered Dubai business set up. So the income that comes to me is coming to a registered Dubai account. God damn. Told you this is like a level it's definitely going to come to. Yeah, we're getting the special education. I mean, it depends what you mean by that. Does a business have to bring income? Like, what do you mean? Could I make income online? All right, who's got the FOMO for NQ now? What if it's some sort of liquidation grabation for a continuation? If I set up a business and just do nothing with it, I don't know how to answer that. It's more than just set up a business. You get trade licenses and stuff as well for whatever type of industry you're in. So I have trade licenses, and yeah, if you watch one of my latest YouTube videos, the start of the video I explain it all. China. No, nothing goes lower than the 15. Yeah, there's also, if you stay in Dubai for 183 days, there's that as well, yeah. But I'm on something called an investor visa. So I can just do whatever, whenever. Bro, sit, even your let will get painy. Even your let will get painy. The guy telling me to sit also doesn't know how to spell. Maybe I shouldn't take your advice. Nah, I'm ain't joking, bro. Nah, I don't want to sit, bro. Because then I'll be like everyone else. And statistically, everyone else sucks doodles. Most. Nice, Diego. Good man. Wow, what a candle. What an actual candle. So I took out like anyone that would try to take buys here earlier, put their stop below this level, just got stung. What's your point, Dubby? Yeah, these are the really fun London sessions where you just get one color and you just kind of wait around. Damn, massive rejection. Yeah, I wonder if that's... some sort of fake out and continue to all-time highs now. Probably like... you think that kind of stuff and then it just kind of trickles its way down. You're like, oh man. Why did I try and predict? Can we do 10 push-ups? You've got to show me a video of you doing 10 push-ups and post it in the Discord, and then I'll do it. Until then, it's just all lies and deception. So if NQ, if gold wants to kind of push down and maybe break the body of that previous 15, I could be interested in a sell. My bias is still relatively bearish, to be honest. Are you guys all far right? Serious question. People have said all types of craps on here and you haven't blocked them before. Far right racist. But far right, okay, if you're saying far right and you're using Kirk as an example of what the definition of a far right is, then yes, I'm that, whatever he is, because he's not a racist. He's a God-fearing man. He's just level-headed. Like, anyone that looks at Kirk and says, oh, he's a far right, he's a racist, he's that, this and that, you need like brain operations or something, because yeah, you're just not seeing existence clearly enough, because he's not what that is. Exactly, JK. Anyone with a brain that like works normally knows that the far left people are just insane, all good, but insane and not good for society, all good. Like Kirk said, he said at the core of the far left, they are dangerous people. They are willing to draw the sword and act out of violence if they choose, like, and it just showed that. Yeah, I'm with you, Ryan, man. Yep. So I could be interested in a sell coming up here. Yeah, I agree with you, Ken. Exactly. Yep, I'm with you, Rad. Wow, I think he was worse than the far right, to be honest. Just follow what Kirk said. Just watch his actions. He was worse compared to... Yeah, you're an insane person. You are genuinely an insane person. I could never associate with someone like that has that opinion about somebody like Kirk, because I understand what Kirk's opinions are. They're completely rational, well-centered and well-thought-out opinions. They're not demoralizing. They're not racist, they're not hateful, they're just facts. And at the core of his whole belief is God, so he understands what's right and wrong and what's the best intentions. He's not actually trying to belittle or insult, he's just trying to help. Wow, that's crazy. It's just crazy there's people that actually have that opinion. It's just wild. I guess there's nothing wrong with it. You think what you think, but it blows my mind that people genuinely think like that. Exactly, Bluey. He's after being torn apart in every debate he's ever done with somebody. Okay. I don't know about that, but okay. Yeah, I might look at selling gold here, to be honest. What's the 4 hour doing? Why can't I see the clock here on the 4 hour? 4 hour and Forex. It's got 45 minutes. I liked him at the start. He was talking about morals. Yeah, because his moral compass is based on religion, based on God and Jesus. The reality, I guess at the core of it as well is God and Jesus, because people that believe in God and Jesus decide and make the decision based on the evidence that morality comes from God and Jesus. Morality was created by God And just like Cliff Connect would say is, if morality didn't come from God, then humans have no value. Therefore, you can do whatever you want, because morality is just perspective. Then humans are just matter and energy. Yep, I agree with you, Ryan. But as a black woman, Kirk said some pretty direct and hurtful things. Yeah, I can't say an opinion on that because I don't know, but I find that very hard to believe, to be honest. I find it hard to believe that a God religious man like Kirk would ever say anything intentionally racist or just straightforwardly racist. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know enough. I mean, if you've jumped on my stream and you're surprised about my Kirk opinion, that surprises me a lot. That you're surprised that that's my opinion. Yeah, it surprises me that you're surprised by that. We'll see how we go here. This is kind of like a bit of a support level mid-range. Could get a bit chop suey here, to be honest. It was great but leave a bad legacy. Yeah, what a terrible legacy, preaching the word of God. Terrible legacy. Yeah, wow, crazy move on Naz, man. It's wild. Gold's cooking us a bit here. Gold's on the cook. What's on the menu, chef? Crickets have been activated. You have officially activated the crickets. Thunder only happens. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. If we can get to 200 likes over here, that would be groundbreaking. That would shift the axis of the Earth's rotation. How will you manage your risk? Just lose a trade or win it. In this case, yeah. Oh. The bias is pretty simple. Just, yeah, pretty bearish in my opinion. And gold come up here, showed a bit of weakening, flipped, engulfed, closed, retested, and started to push and break the low. See if we can get a bit of a push. How to control trading greed? Then, yeah, I can tell you everything, but you got to understand that greed will just come from this obsession about money. That's why I always say just try and think about it as a game and a skill. The goal is just how can I get better at this skill? The skill, my dude. Money will follow. Yeah, Australia has a good cricket team. I don't follow cricket, but I know Australia historically has had a good cricket team. Yeah. Hundo. Yeah, it's not looking good. I would wanted a bit of a push here by now, to be honest. Not looking good. Not looking good, my dudes. Nah, there's no luck. I mean, there could be luck, yeah, sure, but I mean, to win long-term in trading, you need a system. You need a system. Yeah, if I get cooked here, I'll see if it keeps moving up and maybe see if we can take a breakout up here. I don't know. We'll see. Do you have a system? Of course. Do you think we are cooked? Maybe. Yeah, who knows? Nah, because if it can close even similar to this, I'm still interested. I might even add. You guys get so scared, not you, Blue, but like, you know, trading psychology is to get so scared in fucking drawdown. What does Tom Hogarth say? Traders are fearful, fearful in profits and hopeful in drawdown. Like, I mean, at the end of the day, just if it hits your stop loss, no big deal, but try and stay centered with the reality of you're just in a trade, bro. It's nothing. Yeah, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, man, I'm live here every day during the London stream. Every day during London. actually. Fuck TikTok. Stay away. Stay. How much did you start with? Not much. Just started with prop firms. Just started with prop firms. I know, bro. I know. Got 2 minutes over here. Whoops. NQ's just kind of hanging out down there. I don't know, see what other people suggest. Depends like how long you've been in the game and stuff like that. 2 steps going to be cheaper, 1 step's a bit more expensive. I don't know, I have no idea about the live situation with Top Step. From what I hear, you kind of don't want to go live. So if this candle hangs out here and we survive the open of the next one, I'm going to have a sell stop sitting here to add to this at the break of the low. Oh, it's a 30 closure. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, hopefully we can survive this closure then. Yeah, hopefully we can survive this closure. NQ's gearing. Yeah, NQ's still moving down. All right, we've got 20 seconds here for this closure. We'll see. We shall see. Hey, don't you dare create no bottom wick. All right, at least we got something. Damn, it looks nice on fucking Forex. I mean, I might still add to this if it wants to break the low. If I can survive this up, if I can survive this fucking wick. This is make or break this week, man. Come on, Wick. Don't kill me here, bro. Please, I'll do anything. Don't cook me, Mr. Wick. Don't cook me, sir. I'll do anything. Do not cook me. You're not ugly, Santos. Stay. Don't you dare. Stop. Hey. Stop. Stop right there. Yo. I'm just on stream. Okay. Love you, bye. Yeah, prayer doesn't really work in trading, unfortunately. The prayer strat. Yeah, prayer strat's not really. Wow, NQ's dropping. Yeah, nothing like getting caught in drawdown for 20 minutes. If we can get to 200 likes, this will hit take profit. You feel nothing? No, I feel emotions for sure. Yeah, you feel emotions. But you obviously just aware that you feel emotions and just try to, you got to kind of fake it. You got to trick your brain and body. Yeah, you just got to fake it. And then eventually it becomes real. Yeah, every trader still feels emotions, no matter who, what, where, how long they've been in the game. I think the really good traders just get better at mitigating it and managing it and dealing, like understanding how to deal with it and familiarizing with it as well. All right, dope. So it just broke the low there. Let's see if we can get a push here, Goldie. Let's see if we can get a push here, bucko. I always started with prop firms. Yeah, I always started with prop firm accounts. Best Loser Wins. Yeah, great book. Beautiful. Yeah, I suggest all my guys as well to jump on the Best Loser Wins. I mean, a lot of people love Mark Douglas's books. I couldn't personally resonate with him. I really like Mark Douglas's videos on YouTube. Really good he talks really well about the probabilities of trading. Yeah, he's got really good videos on the probabilities of trading and having like a probability mindset when it comes to trading. Yeah, we'll see. Win, lose, or draw. It's no big deal, man. Who gives a shit? I'll still be here tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day, just like I was every other day where I lost or won. No, I don't trade New York. I don't trade New York at all. No, I do a little bit. The guys in the mentorship run the New York stream. I'll pop my beak in there every now and then, but the mentorship's essentially a 24-hour stream service. Not really, but you know, I run Asia and London. Sometimes the guys do pre-New York and shit like that as well, or post-London. So yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Even if it loses, it's a good setup. I'll take it every day to this day. Don't do a sturdy gold. Damn, how many guys thought this was some sort of grab thing, and they took sells, buys. Nice, Pez. Very good. How was last week? My last week was good. Monday, no trade. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, profitable. And then Friday, BE. Red on one account, green on the other. Yeah, Canelo fight was dope. And yes, I'm a full-time trader. My eyes are stinging. I'm trying to like look out the window to unsting my eyes. Yep, I'm going to start a group chat though, Sylvia, after this. Yeah, I'm going to start a group chat. Wow, this is just like the worst fucking stuck in drawdown of all time. This is ridiculous, like 30 minutes. God damn it. No, there's not much to be afraid of with prop firms when you first start. It's like they're cheap, man. They're pretty cheap. It's not like you're putting a couple grand in an account yourself. Come on, gold. Either cook me or freaking not. Magnet strat, eh? I'm funded a lot. The bone strat. Come on, buddy. Here it is. Take the bone. Yes, take the bone. The bone strat. If we can break these 30 lows, that'd be pretty nice. One of the other guys, Will David. Someone will probably throw one in the chat for you. Yeah, legit. Really out of steam. I mean, I don't even know. It's just doing nothing. I already added to it. I already added. So I ate up my freaking ad and then just decided to hang out. Yep. Welcome to trading, my dude. 19 minutes for this 4-hour Forex. It hasn't even broke these 30-minute lows. Or at least attempted. What do you suggest in a consolidated market like this? It depends what you mean by a consolidated market. Do you mean like on the higher, like on the overview of it as a whole? Or like right now in this current situation. What's your qualification? Trader certified. I got a diploma in trader. Bro, I've legit got a diploma in trader. Yeah, this isn't fun. I'm very rarely in in drawdown for this long. Very rarely. Or just in a trade in general for this long. I mean, I guess it's good reps. It's like, you know, heavyweight UFC fighters, they very rarely like go the distance, and everyone's like, oh, I wonder how they can handle it going the distance. It's like, I guess you got to get used to it. Getting stream sniped, yeah, legit. You're going to have to look at managing if there's 15 closes like this. We've got a minute left here. Might look off taking 50%. 50% of the trade. You're right, you get a diploma in trader. Very sought after diploma. But yeah, I'll take this trade every single day. I would take this trade every single day. Looks like there's just not much volume here right now. No, this is a decent trade. Like there's something that I'll talk about after, depending on how it plays out, but it wouldn't be enough for me to want to not take the trade. Panjaba just hangs out here for 2 actual hours. I'm going to take off some size if it hits this point. 50%. Actually, let me cancel that. I like how it retraced just there. All right, man, this is it. If it's going to drop, it's going to do on this candle. This is a candle. You're either cooked or you're not. Welcome to today's episode of Cooked or Not. Today on the menu, we've got Daniel Holmes. That's right. So we'll see. Yeah. It's a bit of a red flag to be stuck in it this long, but I mean, one thing we can say, at least it's tried to push above and it's failed multiple times. It hasn't actually even tried to push below yet. Cooking with Dan. Today we're seasoning it with his account. Yeah, at least if we get cooked together, that's true. Yeah. Gordon Ramsay style. You fucking donkey. Idiot sandwich. I'd be scared, Shib. Shib. FX still hasn't really broken the lows. Food. I don't really know much about food, to be honest. I just eat the same kind of shit. Oh my God, gold. Just fucking drop or go up. I'm about to retire. I want to be in profit immediately. On the menu, we have Dan, seasoned with some blind trades. Full margin, no stop. Wow, look at that top wick. Instant banger, just bang, flash. Haven't even had a steak here, bro. Haven't even had a freaking steak, my dude. Yeah, I'm holding on to dear life. Right now, it's like, you know, at the end of Titanic, how he's like, Jack, don't let go. And then she like kind of drops him. It's like, move over, bitch. All right, there's a low's broken by just like dipped its little toe in. Ooh, ooh, I don't like that. Ooh, interesting. FX hasn't broken the low. What's the win rate? Win rate? Very high. Yeah, I'll take this trade every day. Oh, the bar can smell the bone, 100%. That's right. Come on, bucko. Come on, boy. Come on. Oh, non-subscribers can chat. Maybe I should change that to get more subscribers to like manipulate people to subscribe. You can only chat if you're subbed. Drink water? Okay, yeah, good idea. Let me drink some water. Get me out of this fucking trade. Break the lows on FX, that'd be good. The thing is, a lot of people are looking at buys here, which is why I'm interested in sells. Drink water strat. Who's seen those things where it's like, I showed speed, drinks water. I showed speed, puts water bottle back down. I show speed, love heart. I don't know why that's so funny to me. Girl, I want your body. Come on, boy. With that big old fat ass. Good boy. Come on. Kendrick Lamar. Yeah, I must have been listening to it earlier. Fetch boy. Yeah, Gold's just trolling us now. Ah, gotcha. Loser, you thought you were going to win a trade. Psych. Yeah, there's not much volume here. That's the thing. I could see this dropping though. I could see this dropping if I'm being brutally honest. But I'm not going to think about that too much. I don't think it's a good idea to think like that too much, but I could see it happening. But yeah, there's not a ton of volume here. There's not a ton of volume right now. This might be the longest trade caught on camera. Just to get sizzled at the end. Just to get absolutely sausage sizzled. I think the stop loss is in an okay place. Yeah, maybe a little. I don't know. Yeah, something like that. You just got to kind of take it. You either win it or lose it. If you're not comfortable with this, you can pull the trigger right now. You can exit the trade, go to BE. If you're not comfortable with it. You know? Rad, what the fuck? Why are you not sitting? Because that's what everyone does. I don't want to be like everyone. Do you think it will reject when it reaches something FBG? Yes. That's exactly what I think is going to happen. Nah, I don't know, bro. I don't know anything about what that is. I'm just trying to sell this. That's all I'm trying to do. You're staying in? Nice. The soldier goes down with the captain, or I mean the captain goes down with, I don't even know what I'm fucking saying. The Sparta. Look, there's 500 of us here. Wasn't there only 500 Spartans or whatever? There's 500 of us here. So it's like, you know, we all got to do it together kind of thing. You got out, you don't like the low volume? Fair enough, man. Yep, fair enough. Oh, it's 300. Close enough. Yeah, fair enough, bro. Broad. Yep. Fair enough. Looked like it broke the low a little bit there. Yeah, pretty ugly, man. A pretty ugly man. I mean, at least I can have a stream saying, I got caught in drawdown for 1 hour just to take a loss. And then be like, you sure you want to be a trader? Yeah, we've got a 1 hour closure coming up and also a 4x 4 hour closure coming up. Yes. Got a lot of things coming up here now. Got out with 42? Yeah, nice. Fair enough. Yeah, I tried to pull out the bone strat. I did try and pull out the bone strat. But yeah, this is the longest I've been stuck in a trade since like for a long time. Bro, legit. Imagine, like, how do swing traders do it? How do they do it? I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah, nice, Lewis. Fair enough. Yeah, let the cooking begin, I think. Let the cook begin. Ah! God damn it. 1 hour. Yeah, I could have pulled the trigger. I could have pulled the trigger in profits or gone BE, but what are you going to do? Now I just got to wait for the next best setup. Now you just got to wait for the next best setup. Now that's all you got to do. I mean, if you think you're going to win every trade, fucking welcome to trading. You're going to have a hard time ahead of you, that's for sure. Yeah, that's right. Throw her in the journal. I mean, I'll take this trade every day. This is a trade I do take every day. But man, got stuck into it for fucking ages. Got stuck into it for ages. Yeah, exactly. All right, whatever. That it is what it is. I'll just take the next best trade. I'll be looking at these levels. I mean, we're kind of running out of time. I'll give it a bit more time, but like I won't watch on stream. But you know, maybe if it wants to break above this level or something, can look at that. But I mean, let's just see if it breaks that high here now. I'll see if it breaks this high here now. Got 2 minutes. Got the 4 hour coming up here. 4 hour might flip. 4 hours going to close in 2 minutes. Ten push-ups to the mental reset. Nah, I'm completely neutral. I feel only thing is my eyes are stinging. That's all. But I'll probably call it there, you guys. Even if this does break up the high, I mean, it's pretty extended now. Pretty extended now. 60 pips it'll be. But appreciate you guys. Wow, 1 hour of drawdown. That's a new achievement. But appreciate you guys. It's just a loss, man. It happens every day, whatever. It's no big deal. I'll catch up with you guys on London tomorrow if you're around, and let's keep it happening. Appreciate you, gang. I'll chat to you then. See you guys. Peace.